man and a lazy boy. TV on a western, he's fast asleep. Got gray in his hair, at least what's left, but the heart of a lion beating in his chest. There's a little more slow in his go, a little less rock in his roll these days. But I remember him 10 feet tall and bulletproof, throwing me a ball in cowboy boots, a whistle and the dogs come running, a whisper and a mama starts blushing, wrench in his hand and a beer in the other. God could make a man any tougher. That S on his chest started to fade, but I'll always remember him that